Hi, this is just a little do the rest of my face and get ready with me chit chat. I did my eyeshadow in a previous video, so go have a look at that. I'm going in with the Everysun SPF. I've already done other skincare like serums and cleanse and what. This is almost finished. I love this SPF. If I sound a bit like it's because I'm a tad sick. Like, I've been sick since Saturday. It's Wednesday today, and it was literally out of the blue. I just, within a few hours, I went from being normal, fine, happy me to literally being sick. So it's been going on for a few days. I'm fine though. I feel much better. Like, you know, you can feel when you're getting over it. So that's me at this moment of time. But further than that, the weather is insanely hot and humid. Actually freaking out. That's what our fan's going, if you're actually wondering what that sound is. I will not be able to cope without this fan, and I'm worried about how I'm gonna keep this makeup in place because I don't really have a proper setting spray. What am I saying? I don't even have a proper setting spray. I don't have a setting spray at all. I only have my powder, which I don't really like because you still sweat. It's not like the powder and you sweating, you still sweat, and that makes my base and my face in turn looks super cakey, like when it's moved. You get what I'm saying? So I really just need a setting spray. My new fave, literally, Catrice Soft Glam Filter Fluid. Love. But on a day like this, it's also, I'm not going to use as much because I do obviously want to look like Chloe because it's a tropical theme like look I'm going for. But of course I don't want to, you know, look like I'm a sweaty nose. So that being said, please let me know what setting spray is worth my time and money. Like what do I go for? There are so many. But like, give me recommendations, please. Like, I know the Essence ones are good. I know the Maybelline one is good, but yeah, I know some of them they're all different, but like which one for humid weather, especially where I'm at the moment. Like, what do you recommend for humid weather, and which ones just, you know, on a regular basis when it's not as humid? You get what I'm saying? I'd appreciate that. So I will be bronzing up my skin with this Essence Sun Sand and Golden Rainbows bronzing drops. Oh, why do I always get it in my hair? Like, I don't know why, honestly. So I just want to be like super bronzy, you know? Nice. Just gonna let that chill a bit, and I'm gonna start moving that around. In the meantime, I'm just going to contour my nose quickly, like so. And I've actually realized whenever I contour my nose, it just looks better, you know? Yeah. Like that. Okay, so I'm just going to work this. I just need this in a sharp line, you get what I'm saying? And this side in a sharp line like that. Serum up here, lighten up everything. Like, I'm chit-chatting and doing like I don't know what I'm even doing in this video, but oh, I wanted to tell you guys, I think I finally found the perfect heatless curl method using that other stupid thing. Like, I don't like that thing that I got off Takeout. Like, the more I use it, the more I dislike it. And that's the thing, I don't know if it's the one that I got, but they all look pretty much the same to me. Like, I think the quality ones, I don't know where you can find those, but it's definitely not that. I'm gonna show you what I mean in a quick second. Getting like a hormonal breakout, like whenever I have a hormonal breakout, I know because I break out over here. I think most people do around this area, but for me, I know in specific it's this area. But just look at this curl. Like I slept, I should have actually shown you guys. I was like, there's no way I'm like doing all the effort to like show you guys and then it turns out stupid, because literally, let me show you. Look at this thing. This thing is literally hard as a rock. Like, it's not one of those soft thingies that you see online. This, like, okay, I'm gonna show you guys. The method I did was that the actual unicorn method, because I'm a side sleeper kind of. That way and this way did not work for me at all. But this way kind of seemed as though it did, but it's so uncomfortable, it's so weird. Like, it fell out this morning. It was like sitting here and I was just like, no way, I'm gonna like do a video of this where I look like a complete crazy. That's why I never took it out, but I think I like this method the most. But I'll do a separate video on that if I do it again. I'll probably do it again tonight just because it really turned out this awesome. If it didn't turn out as great, I'll probably, yeah, then I'm very unmotivated because I've tried the other methods so many times, but it literally doesn't work. Why haven't I put my blush on? But yeah, we're not going to use as many cream products today. I'm just going to go in with my powder blush after this. So let me just get my concealer in place here. And then I still have to do my brows as well. I think I'm actually going to do them now quickly. But yeah, makeup is sometimes extremely overwhelming to me. Like, there are so many methods like that you can do things. Like, there's different ways you can apply your blush, there's different ways you can go about doing your base. Like, it's so exciting, but at the same time, because it takes so much time, like, to me it's somewhat overwhelming. So yeah, but I love it. Like, today I'm really like trying something different. I wish I had a coral blush to complement this look. Like, I can just imagine a coral blush would be beautiful with this tropical look I'm going for. But I'm not going to go too much on this blush. I don't want it to be too pink, if you get what I'm saying. I'm quickly going in to do my brows with the Essence Eyebrow Gel Color and Shape. This is the one that you like going with the spoolie. It's amazing. I love what it does for a person's brows, honestly. It's amazing. You need to really work this stuff through, especially if you're trying to achieve a fluffy brow. It's awesome. I'm going to add some foundation. I did a video the other day in Afrikaans, where basically, I don't know, it was just like a chit chat, you know, similar to this, but I was telling like stories, in specific like stories of like experiences I had when it came to like doctors and dentists, and like my traumatic experiences surrounding that. I don't know if anybody like would be interested in me doing that in English. I don't know, just to be like all inclusive, because I feel like, yeah, maybe I'll just do it even though I don't get any feedback. But yeah, that's maybe something I'm gonna do, because why not? And I've got a few other story times I'll most probably do as well. And I don't know, things, I want to become more real on this app and like share like my opinion regarding things, like, and I've seen quite a few people doing that as well. But you know, I'm always, and I think a lot of people can relate, like sharing your opinion on this app or any social media for that matter. It's like you're putting yourself out there for backlash. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm quickly gonna do my mascara and my lips off camera. Actually no, I'll just sit here and do it with you because I'm trying to like get what's on my mind off my mind. But I made like this long video, 3-part series, when I was just ranting about this thing in specific that was really bothering me. I'm over it now, but like I have this fear of posting it because like why would I just come on here and like, you know, speak about things that are bothering me or my opinion, you know, who really cares? So with that being said, I don't really know whether I should solely use this platform for just like makeup related things, or should I actually like share my thoughts and opinions. Like I don't really know, I don't, but yeah, that's just how I feel. I feel like I don't really know how to go about it. Do I like share what I want to share, or do I just solely keep it like based on doing makeup and skincare and goodies like that? Because I obviously want to make it as well like a bit more personal, but you get what I'm saying. But anyway, I think like a lot of people are just scared to post on this app because I've been seeing a lot of things about how rude people can be. And you're overall like, it depends probably what type of person you are, what you've been through, what. But like I, for example, it doesn't, like I tell myself I don't care, it doesn't bother me if somebody leaves me a hate comment, but at the end of the day, like it's not right. There are people that can't deal with it. So with that being said, we just try and support each other and encourage each other and build each other up, because this world is so cool. I don't want to go into a whole tangent. I'm trying to focus to not get any mascara on my eyeshadow. What's one part of makeup you enjoy doing the least? Well, I can tell you right now, mine is mascara, because it literally, it's a whole different level of concentration for me. Like I can't stand it, and especially if the mascara is not like cooperating. You know, sometimes the wand and the mascara don't go together, especially if it's been like a well used mascara. I don't know, it's just me. I love doing long form content. I just like sitting down chatting. I don't know, it's difficult. I'm still trying to get the hang of this. Like I prefer just sitting down and chatting. Like I don't know, I'm still trying to get the hang of this, but yo, my under eyes are so puffy. I'm sick. But is that an excuse? Don't they just always look like this? I think they do, but whatever. Some more concealer, just a little bit like that. Because yeah, I had to now get that mascara that was there off, and then I'm going to set my face. Let's quickly set. This is the only setting powder I have. There are so many makeup products that I want to buy. It's just, it's too much. Like I can't make up my mind what is next. Like I've got my eye on Sweet Beauty. Like who doesn't? I mean, yeah, so I really want to try Sweet Beauty, but let me just bake or sit here quickly. But yeah, I really want to do that. And this Switch rally was on in Joburg, I saw that, There was one in Durban as well. I was so late to it. Like, I only saw it after it happened, and like, ugh, yeah, I'm not lacquer. But anyway, that was, I think, during our busy season. So yeah, I can't really remember. Today is super hot, humid, so I'm just setting everything in place. Huge brush and just wipe that away. I don't feel too good today, but I feel much better than yesterday. And just look at this makeup. I love it, I love it, I love it. Look at my eyes, look at it. I did a whole like video on my eyes, like an in-depth process, but yeah, I'm actually quite chuffed. Perfecto. Hello. So don't come at me, but I don't have a brown lip liner, I know. So I'm just using like an eyeliner, because why not? So I just have to smile like that. Just like that. I know it's not the best. It's not right what I'm doing. And I'm just basically blending this out with a flat brush. So literally just like that. Now I'm going in with my Catrice Clean ID Hydra Lip Plumper. I don't know where you can get this, but I'm pretty sure anything, you can do anything. But this is just a beautiful, look at that, beautiful nude. I honestly think this lip combo is beautiful, and it literally complements the eyes so much. I think if I went in with any sort of red or pink here, it would have distorted this look completely. So bright eye, neutral lip, love it. So let me do this hair and get changed, and then I'm gonna show you my look. This is the look. I'm super chuffed about this. Tropical summer, yes, I like this with a neutral lip, but it's still perfect for summer every day. It's not too much, too hectic, so I love that. Let me know what other looks you want me to do in the future. Bye.